grand awakening, my cancers, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity and magic all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree, book a massage, check out the ebooks, check out the NFTs, check out the music. We have some great things there for you. Your word of the day is positive action. Positive action, not just any action, positive. Tune into your frequency of anything can happen. The biggest miracles are awaiting. When you see a bunch of negative, when you see the dark, guaranteed there's light out there. So stay positive, make strong positive efforts today. What you cannot do yesterday or what you cannot do today, it may happen tomorrow, it may happen next week, but do something today to lay a brick towards your dreams today. I focus on building and the beauty within me, and I find silence. I live and honor the present by doing what I can now, and what I cannot, I let go and trust to God. And we'll try again later. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.